Good morning. Today we were talking about pH level of the water we will be drinking. Why is the pH level such an important thing? Because our blood levels require a very defined concentration of pH, which is a balance between acidity and alkaline levels. The base of our body should be 7.3, around that. So therefore, the food which we ingest often is very acidic, and therefore we need to have alkaline input, which tends to be fruit and vegetables. But water makes a big difference as well, as you probably know. There's a pH chart which starts from very dark blue to yellow and orange. Yellow and orange being very acidic, and blue, dark blue, is very alkaline. Let's see what waters can do to you and whether they are acidic or alkaline. Let's start with a mineral water from the mountains of Andalusia. We put in this solution here, we put in a few drops and see if the water is acidic or if it is alkaline. We see a yellow, pink, greenish colour, which says it is more or less neutral with a tendency towards acidity. Solán de Cabra, so water from Madrid. And here we see it's much bluer. Can you see this? The difference between the blue shade and we're talking about two mineral waters. This is a mineral water from Galicia, which is often available in many restaurants. Let's see whether that actually offers what we really want as a nice mineral water. And it is sort of a darkish light blue. We'll show you the shot again here, and we can later on compare. Evian from France. Let's see what the results are here. Look here, it's moving and it's starting to, again, a very similar colour between the two. Let's see our tap water. This is the water which we drink here in our house, which we used to drink before we had canned water. And look here, it is quite blue, which is at first sight very nice. We have also Sprite, which is, as you know, not a mineral water, but it shows you what soft drinks can do. And since Sprite is a very transparent drink instead of Coca-Cola, you can see the results, whereas if you had a glass of Coca-Cola you would not be able to see it. We have a mineral water from the Basque country. Again, it has a nice bluish colour. If you just compare the two colours here, the acidity of the Sprite and the blueness of their solar water, there's a difference, isn't there? And now comes the big test, Kangen water. Do you think this is going to be any better? Is it going to be green? No, it is not going to be green. It's going to be blue, dark blue. This is the way it shows, and it shows you here on the scale. It is the darkest blue colour that matches this, and this is the acidity of the Sprite water. And then you would say, well, at least the tap water isn't all that bad. I mean, it is blue, and there's an answer to that. Remember, the water comes to you through iron pipes, and the water authorities don't want those iron pipes to oxidize, and therefore they put chemicals in there to make sure that they are slightly alkaline. But that's not to save your health or to make you happier. It's just to keep the pipes running for another 20 or 30 years. I think this will give you an idea of what waters can do for you. Remember, the important fact is water should hydrate you. So therefore, not every of these waters will do the same thing. And to compensate a glass of very acidic soft drink, you will need a lot of mineral water or highly alkaline water to compensate that. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.